what's going on. Here is a picture. There are six children. In a four children are playing carom. Two boys are watching the game. Two kittens are playing with a ball of wool. Two dogs are chasing the birds. Here is another picture. The family is getting ready for dinner. Father is cutting onion for salad. Mother is bringing a dish. The elder girl is laying the plates. The younger girl is washing her hands. Look at this picture. Say a few sentences about it. Answer these questions. How many children are there in the first picture? There are how many children are standing? They are standing. How many children are playing carom? These are the caroms. How many kittens and dogs are there? There are kittens and dogs. What are the kittens doing? The kittens with a ball of wool. What are the dogs doing? How many peoples are in the house? There are in the picture of family with what is the father doing? Is what is the mother holding in her hands? She is a dish. How is the elder girl helping her mother play the plates? What is the younger girl doing? The hand washing hand. Let's try this. Pick out the same name of game from the following: carom, basket, cricket, football, kabaddi, ladder, eyeball, chess, hockey. Listen and repeat. Tin, tan, din, dan, bit, bat, pig, bag, pig, bag. Fill in the missing double letter. One has been done. U for you, kitten, village, butter, balloon, bottle, potter. Look at this picture and complete this box. There are four horses. There are two dogs, and there is a donkey keys and three cows and five kitten dog, five dogs, two goats.